In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and start up a GoFundMe. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is come over to GoFundMe.com, and then as you can see, there's a green button here saying Start a GoFundMe. So go ahead and click on that, and then you'll be prompted to create an account. So once it's loaded up, go ahead and create your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and input my details. So I've gone ahead now and I've put in my details for my account. So go ahead and scroll down and click on the next button. And once it's loaded up, here is where you can start to input your details about your GoFundMe. So whatever your goal is, go ahead and enter it here. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and put in £1,000. So when you've done that, go ahead and put in a campaign title. So for this example, I'll put in tutorial. And then go ahead and click on this drop down menu here. So who are you raising money for? Are you raising money for yourself, someone else, or a charity? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on charity for this example. And then in this box here, you can go ahead and find a charity by the name of the charity, or if you've got a charity number, you can go ahead and input that here. So I'll go ahead and I'll just select this this top charity here for this example. And then go ahead and put in your postcode. And then in the next box, you're going to go ahead and choose a category. So it could be like accidents and emergencies, if someone's had like an accident or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this for now. So the fundraise as option here, you can go ahead and if you're just an individual that's creating this page yourself, you're going to go ahead and click on individual. But if you're a team and it's through like a organization or a company, you're going to go ahead and click on a team. So go ahead and select which one is relevant to your GoFundMe. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on individual for now and go ahead and click on next. So once you've clicked on next, you can go ahead and customize a little bit. So you can go ahead and add a cover photo, or you can add a YouTube video, upload a photo from your hard drive on your computer, or add a photo from Facebook. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this picture here. So that will be now my cover photo, and then go ahead and if you're happy with it, go ahead and confirm it. And then in the tell your story section, what you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and give a little bit of a story and a little bit of context to the people that are going to be donating to your GoFundMe. So if you put a little bit of a story in here, people know what they're actually donating for, and you will get a lot more people donating. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on next. And as you can see here, my campaign is now ready. What you can go ahead and do is scroll down to this button here, and once you click on launch, you can go ahead and you can promote and you can start getting donations to your GoFundMe page. So go ahead and read through these like terms and conditions here before you do go ahead and hit launch. But yeah, that's just about it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.